Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my world. Today's video is going to be a little different, a video I've never done on my channel, which is actually a hair tutorial. And I just showed you guys how I got these little box braids with the little fans at the end. I have this like auburnish color and black in my hair, and this was my first time attempting this, and I also did the rubber band method. Let's take a second and look at this. Silver and gold, for the simple fact that I wear a lot of both, so I don't want just silver in my hair when I have a lot of gold jewelry, or I don't want just gold in my hair where sometimes I want to wear silver, you know? So let's just start with things you need. First thing you need is obviously braiding hair. In the video portion, like where I'm actually showing you guys things, I'll show you the type of hair I got. I got two different types. I was interrupted by a call, but I got two types of hair, 3 packs of black. Only ended up using maybe a pack of it because you cut the hair in half because this style is short. And then I got another type of hair. You guys will just have to see what it is because I don't know. Then you'll need beads. Clear elastic, the black elastics, like the clear ones, just because. And so I actually parted my hair last night and put rubber bands in it and all that, and moisturized and oiled and stuff. So when I woke up this morning, like I slept with a satin cap, when I woke up this morning I just put the braiding hair in and added the clips and cut it, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking your ears off. If you found this video helpful, hit like. If you just think of cute, hit like. The first thing I'm showing you guys is the twist I did last night, moisturized, ready to go. I have my hair and I'm just ready. So actually when I show you guys this, I'm doing the last 2 braids. So the first time you see it is going to be really fast and like sped through, just so you guys can see the whole process, and then I'm gonna explain in depth what I actually am doing. So just sit back and enjoy. The first thing I'm doing is securing my hair with an elastic, and then I'm taking the braiding hair and making sure I leave it even, but just taking out pieces that are not even. And now that it's even, look at my facial expressions. Oh my gosh, I'm splitting the hair in 2/3. So like 2/3 of the hair is the thicker portion, and then the 1/3 is the smaller portion. And now you have 3 sections. I like to mix my hair together so it doesn't just look crazy. Now I'm going to put the hair around the elastic in the direction I want it to go. Since I want it to go left, I'm starting at the left side. I'm taking one of the portions of the braiding hair and putting it on one half of my hair, and then taking the other portion, another portion of the braiding hair, and putting it on the other half of my hair, as you guys can see here. And now I'm twisting, and I'm actually starting to braid, but I just want to make sure I cover the elastic, so that's why I'm like getting all close and looking. You want to cover the elastic. I know I didn't cover every single elastic in my hair. I don't care. Now I'm trying to make sure that I'm braiding tight as possible so my hair looks overall nice and neat. So I'm going very slow and making sure I'm pulling it tight. This is not a braiding tutorial necessarily on how to do a regular 3-strand braid, so that's why I'm not explaining in detail. If you want to see a video like that, let me know, but this is just how I did my short box braids. Don't forget all the way until you reach the bottom, braid it tight so your braid does look even and very portioned. Now that I'm at the very bottom, I'm going to soon take the black elastic and wrap it around just like that, and then cut the fan as big as I want it. I like mine shorter and I think that looks neater. So that's exactly how I did it, and now look at me. I'm just going to apply my beads in whatever pattern, direction, way I would like for them to be, and I'm gonna just fast forward through this and let you guys see the end product. Actually, I lied. These more jump ring type clips, you actually want to twist the two ends in opposite directions to open them instead of trying to pull them, because you can hurt your fingers like that. So again, I twist them in the opposite direction just so I could clamp it onto my hair and then twist it back the same way so that it can close. And I put the opening inside the braid so I don't really have to worry about the clip slipping off. And I'm taking out my little two ponytails and I'm going to go dip my hair in water and boiling hot water and see this product.